So guys, welcome back to amazing video of The Walking Dead। आज एपिसोड नंबर 4 शुरू करने वाले भाई सुपर हिट भाई। कैसे पिछले एपिसोड में हमें किडनैप कर लिया गया था, बेसिकली हमारे भाई को पकड़ लिया गया था भाई। आज लेकिन भी क्लेमेंटाइन जिंदा है भाई। मुझे उस पर पूरा भरोसा है भाई। मैं बता अंधा भरोसा, मुझे वो भरोसा क्लेमेंटाइन के ऊपर है भाई। पता नहीं क्यों, बस है कि हमने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया सीजन 1 सीजन 2 में उसके साथ, उसको खेला भी हमने, तो काफी एक ट्रस्ट है उस पर मुझे बहुत ज्यादा। हर बंदे ज्यादा मुझे क्लेमेंटाइन पर ट्रस्ट है, मैं तब बता रहा हूँ। और जो ना हमारा मैन बंदा जो इस गेम में, जो इस स्टोरी में बेसिकली है, वो भी एक अच्छा बंदा है। उसके भाई पे ट्रस्ट ऐसा बढ़ रहा है।
Previously on The Walking Dead.
करते हुआ के एजे
No! You monsters!
ये जिंदा है, ऐसी बात है, जिंदा है। ये बोलता है इतना क्यूट बोलता है यार। मैं लाइक दिस यार, क्यूट तो है वैसे यार एजे। यस गाइस, हमने इसको इतना मारा अपने नीड्स का बदला लिया हमने।
You took my goddamn guts out.
अबे भाई मारा हमने इसको।
Joan was in on it.
Yes भाई।
We did it on her orders. I'm sorry.
It is too late for sorry, you backstabbing shitbag.
I'll help you. I'll tell everyone in Richmond about this.
तो हमने इसको जिंदा रह दिया गाइस ताकि ये बता पाए।
Maybe he'll be useful.
लेकिन हमें कोई खास फायदा नहीं, उल्टा में नुकसान होगा इसका। और हमें वहां जाके फिर हमें जेल में डाल दिया भाई। अजीब सीन था यार।
I needed that.
भाई पता नहीं कैसे क्या होगा। मैं वो क्या बताऊं, मेरे माइंड में क्या हो रहा है। हाँ, हमने
Wait a second.
इन
David
सब
told
को
us to come here.
सेफ हाउस
to the
में
others now.
छोड़
Trust
दिया
me,
था।
shit's about to fly.
और हम खुद डेविड के पास किए थे। देखते हैं क्या होता है।
I knew I could count on you, brother.
यस भाई।
This is not over,
अब
Joe.
जॉन
I
ने
have
जो ये
friends.
हतून आप देख रहे हो,
Allies.
इन्होंने टेक ओवर कर लिया पूरे शहर को और डेविड को धोखा दे दिया, और इसलिए इन्होंने हमको फिर पकड़ के जेल में फेंक दिया। तो ये बेसिकली अभी तक इस पूरी स्टोरी में हुआ है। अब क्या हम एस्केप कर पाएंगे या नहीं? भाई गैस क्लेमेंटाइन है और कुछ भाई दोस्त भी बाहर आजाद घूम रहे हैं। उन्हें अभी शायद नहीं पता, अगर पता होता तो अभी हम चेकआउट कर लेंगे। लेकिन क्लेमेंटाइन बाहर है, वो एजे को ढूंढने गई थी। बच्चा वो उस एजे को ढूंढने की थी। अब पता नहीं उसे एजे मिला नहीं मिला, हमें आज के एपिसोड पता चलने वाला। ये भी वैसे ये आई थिंक सेकंड ऐसे एपिसोड होने वाला है सीजन 3 का भाई। देखते हैं कौन जिंदा रहता है और कौन मरता है भाई। हमें भाई सारे फैसले ध्यान से करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि एक भी गलती की वो वही रिग्रेट रहेगा भाई। इसलिए हमें काफी चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी। और मैं इतना खुशबाश शहर कहाँ से आ गया अचानक भाई, पता नहीं गाइस। देखते हैं ये है क्या, लगता है ये भाई है क्या बताओ, ये कौन सी प्लेस है, कौन सा वर्ल्ड है भाई इधर। हाँ पास्ट है, ओके पास्ट है भाई गैस, पास्ट एंजॉय करो आप लोग। ये वैसे काफी अच्छा, जो ये वैसे बंदा है मैं, ये काफी अच्छा ये इसका भाई है, ये काफी अच्छा बेसबॉल प्लेयर था।
Strike one. I'm out of practice, that's all. Yeah, same here. I haven't held a bat since the league booted me. Well, you got all afternoon to get back in your groove.
भाई
Oh yeah. Just holding this thing makes me feel better.
Hey man, you're Javier Garcia, right? The ball player?
Okay,
Can I get
हमारा
your
फैन भी है।
autograph? If you could sign my baseball, that would be
Quick,
so awesome.
All right, but let's make it
Oh
quick.
my-
Go on. Don't
भाई
keep
ये
your
खेलते
fan
थे
waiting.
बेसबॉल, मुझे पता था गाइस यार। हमारे फैंस भी क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
Who do I make this out to?
Oh, no names. Band players' signatures are worth way more on
Band
resale than
player-
personalized crap. Just your name is fine. Don't date it or anything.
क्या साइन है भाई।
Hope you like it.
Oh yeah! I might
10
get
bucks.
$10 for this.
Gotta keep those fans happy, big star. Let's get back to baseball.
David, what's wrong? Come back.
I'm sorry, man. I was trying to keep it together. I'm not good at talking like this.
What's going on?
क्या हो गया भाई बता दो हमको.
David, I don't understand.
You don't understand because you only think about yourself. And I'm sick of it. It's been that way for years. You've always been looking out for yourself.
You tried to help me. Yeah, let me help you.
You really want to help? All right. Drive me down to the recruitment office next week.
The army?
My job sucks. Kate and
Oh,
I fight
family
like
issues
cats
there.
and dogs. I belong back in the army. I had a purpose there. I had respect.
Last time you deployed, you didn't have kids. So, whatever you do now, you gotta put them first.
I am putting them first. That's why I have to leave. Things between me and Kate have been going downhill for a while. But if I left, it seemed like that would be best for everyone. I can't keep pretending this is the life I want.
No, the kids are too young for you to leave them. You gotta be around to, coach them on stuff.
What the hell do you know about raising children, Hobby? I'm not gonna lie. If I go, it's gonna be hard on everyone. Kate may need help from time to time.
इसने
You
आर्मी
can help,
की थी ना.
right? You won't leave her hanging? I need to know that.
Of
In
course
my
he will
mind.
help you यार. You can go.
I'll be there for them, since you won't. If you want to go, you should go.
Thank you. I really mean it.
We good?
Yeah.
बात करो भाई चीजें ठीक हो जाती हैं बस बात
get out of
करने
here.
की हिम्मत रखो भाई.
Buy your beer.
चीजें एट द एंड ठीक हो ही जाती हैं. भाई ये इसका था पास्ट जो कि खत्म हो चुका है. अब आते हैं हाल में. प्लीज हाल में हमारी क्या हालात हैं भाई प्लीज हमें बता दो. यस ये आ चुका है guys, हमारा हाल
I let you
प्रेजेंट
go.
टाइम.
On the road, remember?
यस भाई इसकी
Can't you
हमने
help us
जान
now?
चाहिए.
Yes, I remember. It's why I haven't shot you already.
इसकी हमने जान
Thanks how I'm
चाहिए.
helping you.
Joan's making a huge mistake.
No, you made a mistake when you tried to attack her.
Hey, everybody just take a breath, all right?
I was just trying to tell them.
And that's your mistake right there. You can't fight everybody. Understand that Joan's not looking for revenge. She just wants order.
We just want
Cooperation is the name of the game. There's still a way through this. But
Okay.
you've got to let Joan enforce the laws.
You do anything she tells you to do, huh? Go along with whatever she says just to keep your place.
It's not like that.
But, right.
Joan's got a tough job.
This is
She needs
called
all our help to keep this place safe.
the politics.
You boys want to make it out of here. Just relax.
No भाई we
and
don't
trust
trust
in the
भाई.
process.
एक लेफ्टिनेंट को बुलाओ सबको फाड़ फूड़ करा देंगे भाई. कोई नहीं मुझे पता है मैं एस्केप करेंगे. मुझे पता है मुझे भरोसा है भाई हो जाएगा.
This is bad.
लेकिन
What are we
इसकी
gonna
फैमिली
do?
बाहर है इसकी फैमिली बाहर है.
I never trusted Joan. I didn't think she'd turn on me like this.
David, hey.
I thought I had it handled.
क्या भाई अब
All of this is my goddamn
let
fault. I should have seen it coming, but I dropped the ball.
लस्सी
Big time.
Joan lied. You couldn't have anticipated that. It was a sneak attack.
I'm glad you see that. You may be the only one. I keep doing this, making the same stupid mistakes.
be strong भाई.
You're still a hero to Gabe. There's still a lot you can teach him. This
Yes,
world
sir.
needs all the heroes it can find.
हार नहीं माने भाई.
That's
हार
my
नहीं
boy.
माने. हार माना कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं कभी.
Listen to me carefully. I don't care what's gonna happen to me. I'm
और
most
मुझे लगा
worried
कि
about
ये
Kate
गाइस
and
डेविड
Gabe.
की मौत होने वाली है.
They
मैं
gotta
बता रहा हूँ.
survive, no matter what.
You don't have to worry. They're safe for now.
यस
We
भाई.
have to get them out of town.
डेविड मुझे अच्छा लग रहा था लेकिन
You're right.
लग रहा है कि
No
यार
matter what
इसका
we
टाइम
do,
कम है.
Joan's already poisoned this
फील आ
well.
रही है.
We've got to figure a
Gut
way
feeling.
out of Richmond.
You know?
All of us.
All of us. This time tomorrow, we'll be together and safe.
Just hug him भाई.
You never give up on anybody. And I'm not going to give up on you.
So glad to see
Okay.
you boys getting along.
Armed escort. You're that scared to face me?
Oh, David, I'm not scared of you. I came here to talk, not fight. You're not going to be a problem, are you? I just want a calm discussion between us.
I won't be a problem if you let us go. In fact, I may even be friendly.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I can't do
Okay.
that. But I like what you're trying to do. It's sad how we ended up here.
भाई तो
But Clinton
इस
Lingard
कुछ नहीं
agreed.
किया है।
You've become a problem.
शहर पे अटैक हुआ है जो बंदे मरे हैं।
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to call for a
Somebody's
gathering in the square. The people deserve to hear a full explanation
Okay.
of your arrest.
And then?
Then you'll be replaced as head of security. No one's above the law, David. Not even you.
I know the laws, Joan.
Yes भाई।
You're the one breaking them.
David deserves a fair shot. He doesn't need to be replaced.
If he was as good as you say, he wouldn't be in this position, would he?
You set me up. Everyone's gonna see through your lies.
I did what I had to do to keep the people of Richmond safe.
इसकी नीयत
They're
खराब है
going to
भाई।
see that.
Yes,
And they'll
really.
also
Yes,
see that the
yes,
biggest
yes.
threat to them right now is you.
देखते हैं क्या होता है आगे।
We'll debate all of this in the morning. Right now, David, I need to ask you some questions in private. Bring him with us.
और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है भाई हमारे पास। हमें यहाँ पे क्लेमटन क्या नहीं आई कि मेरे को बोला उसके पास होगा एजे। मैंने एजे देखना एजे भाई।
Screw this.
एजे कैसा है?
Gotta
उसको
get out
उसे
of
देखना है
here.
भाई। वो बहुत क्यूट है भाई। ओके मुझे भाई निकलना है ऑफ कोर्स। भाई लाइक ये बहुत ओके वेट अ सेकंड। यहाँ हमें सम्मान मिल सकता है भाई। ओके कुछ भी नहीं है इधर।
Nothing useful here.
ओ वेंट है भाई ऊपर तो। हाँ वेंट।
Could squeeze through
कोर्स
there.
भाई हम यहाँ से कैसे स्क्वीज करेंगे? अजीब बात है। वो एक बेंच में स्टैंड ऑन हो। यस ओके तो शायद ऊपर कुछ हो।
I'm not gonna get up there from this
तो मुझे
bench.
और क्या करना पड़ेगा भाई?
Need a way to get on top
लोकस
of
के
those
टॉप
lockers.
में जाना है लेकिन देखो रास्ता मिल नहीं रहा भाई ऊपर जाने का। ऑफ कोर्स मैं इसको खोल के क्यों मैं टाइम जाया करूं भाई। कुर्सी मैं इसको उठा के वहां लेके जा अगर अकल है। अबे भाई इसको उठा के
No
वहां ले
time to
जाओ।
rest.
बे भाई ये बंदा बस समझ लैंप का हम
That doesn't look
ओके
very sturdy.
एक्सप्लोर ओके व्हाट इज दिस इसका क्या काम है नहीं पता था। देखिए भी टूर हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं अगर चाहें तो। लेकिन यहाँ ओके स्टूल ये तो स्टूल एंड में चीज जरूरत थी भाई। उठाओ स्टूल को हम इजीली उसके ऊपर गाइस जा सकते हैं। और हमारे पास वो पाइप भी तो है ना उस। अब हम ऐसे कैसे जाएंगे भाई? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है ना। ओ शीशा ठीक है। ओ तो जान है हमारे अंदर भाई। क्या बात है? वो तो ज्यादा जान गायब नहीं है भाई। नहीं हो रहा। कोई आ जाए कोई आ जाए। ओ गेब।
Looking everywhere for you.
Gabe?
Where'd they take Dad?
I don't know yet.
Oh,
Help me get out of here. These bars are loose. Help me pry
Let's
them off.
go guys. वहां से
I can't do it.
लेट्स गो
Can you
गाइस। अब हो जाएगा भाई। एक और एक 11 होते हैं इजीली टूट जाएगा भाई।
Nice work, Gabe. Now, give me a
लेट्स
hand.
गो गाइस। फाइनली हम हो चुके हैं आजाद। अभी हमको अपने भाई को बचाना है। हमें क्लेमेंटाइन ढूंढना है और हमें केट को भी ढूंढना है। ओके भाई अच्छी भाई अच्छा जो भी होगा अच्छा होगा भाई। देखते हैं क्या होगा कि भाई मुझे डर है यार कि मर ना जाए। अभी जो भी बंदे वो हमारे बहुत बहुत यानी कि स्ट्रॉन्ग बंदे हैं यानी कि हमारी फैमिली के बंदे हैं। तो वहां से किसी की मौत होती है तो भाई बहुत दुख होता है। बहुत ज्यादा ही दुख होता है। इसलिए हमें चीज़ों को थोड़ा बहुत संभाल के फैसले लेने पड़े। जो यहाँ पे होना है वो तो हो गई होगा। हमें अपने साइड से अपने पूरी ट्राई करनी है कि सबको जिंदा रखें।
What's all that
तो
noise?
वोकर्स है भाई।
It's a hurry.
ओह तो एक
We're
हट
outside
यहाँ
the
हो चुके हैं वोकर्स का। ओह माय गॉड यानी कि ये प्लेस इतनी सेफ नहीं
This
रही
way.
है। ये
Come
प्लेस
on.
इतनी सेफ नहीं रही। हमें यहाँ से हर हाल में बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे मौत तो होनी है। किसके होनी ये ही पता अभी हमको ये पता।
Kate didn't want to stay at Dad's house.
Where are you taking me?
Oh,
Eleanor found a place. She sent me to find
getting
you
better. हाँ, पूछते हैं.
while they hide out.
Is Kate doing okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
Okay,
And Eleanor's
nice.
watching her just in case.
We should probably keep moving.
कार से थोड़ा सा लेकिन कोई
I can't believe you found me.
I looked everywhere.
Nice work. Thank you. They've still got your dad, though.
He's gonna be okay, right? I mean, these are his people.
He's negotiating with them now.
देखते हैं क्या होता है.
He'll work it out.
Let's just see what happens, okay?
भाई मुझे वही बाहर है कि इसके डैड शायद
All clear.
शायद नहीं बचा,
Come
लेकिन
on.
भाई I will try my best कि मैं उनको बचा लूँ भाई. I will try my best.
Kate keeps pushing us to leave. You have to make her stay. We have to stay until Dad's free.
मुश्किल
We can't
फैसला
leave
है
Dad
भाई. I think she is right.
Not after we found him again.
I can't make Kate do anything she doesn't want to do.
She's wrong about this. She'll see.
Okay.
Convince her.
Oh damn.
Hold up.
Okay, ये कौन है? आंटी बहन कौन है? मैं को फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ देख रहा हूँ, पता नहीं. उससे क्या हो गया? वो ग्रेव.
Everything's gone wrong here, hasn't it? We should be safe in this town.
It's bad. This place is going to hell. We're gonna need to find somewhere to lay low and hope for the best.
With Dad.
with dad
Don't forget
हम
about Dad.
डेविड को नहीं छोड़ सकते भाई. हाँ, ये मुश्किल फैसला होगा भाई. जब फैसला करने का
That's
वक्त आएगा
Eleanor's
ना,
place.
मैं तब
We
चीजें
made
बहुत
it.
अच्छे होने वाली.
Great.
देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Let's get in there.
वेट करेंगे. अभी तो ये एपिसोड स्टार्ट हुआ है. ओह माय गॉड. बच जाइए. चलिए बाबा जाइए. से बच्चे भैया.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
This wasn't so busy before.
भी कुछ तो काला है
Need
भाई.
to.
दाल में कुछ तो काला है. उसमें चेकआउट करना पड़ेगा. डैड जिसके ना डैड
Let's get inside.
वो शायद कुछ ना इशू हो वहाँ पे. हमें उसको जाके देखना होगा. Let's go guys. Episode is finally started guys. भाई ये episode मोस्ट insane episode होने वाला है. मुझे फील आ रही है कि बहुत इसमें जो फैसले होंगे वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं. मैं आपको बता दूं. So guys, watch in the end. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो कहीं सब्सक्राइब कर देना और वीडियो को लाइक भी कर देना. बहुत मजा आने वाला है आज के The Walking Dead A New Frontier के एपिसोड के अंदर guys. लेट्स सी क्या होता है. कुछ बिल्ड कर रहे हैं मेरे हाल में. इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मुझे बस जरा पानी पीना प्यास. भाई ये कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं यार? तो ये कुछ बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. ओके ओके. फोकस आ चुके हैं शहर के बिल्कुल ऊपर, जो कि अच्छी बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. लेकिन इनकी वॉल्स काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. इनको तोड़ना इतना आसान काम नहीं है इनके लिए. ये शायद वॉल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं ना इच मोमेंट. ओके, तो ये जो लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं उनको ये इनवाइट कर रहे हैं कि आप लोग आए और वहां पे जो डेविड है उसका केस रखा जाएगा. ओके, शायद उससे भाई देखो मुझे जो है ना खातून, जो उसका नाम मैं बोलता हूँ जॉन, उसका कोई ऐसा कोई नाम है, वो लड़की भाई तेज है, इसलिए उस पर ट्रस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता. वो ट्रस्ट काबिल नहीं है भाई. वो देखने में और है, करने में और है. तो हमें भाई उस पर फोकस करना पड़ेगा. वो करती क्या है कि अब ये गेम का माइंड की हो चुकी है. हमें चीज़ों को समझ के उसके मुताबिक फैसले करने पड़ेंगे, फिर ही काम ठीक हो पाएगा, वरना काम खराब हो सकता है. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, थिंग्स कैन गो रॉन्ग गाइस. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ओके गाइस, वी आर फाइनली हम आ चुके हैं अंदर और डेविड को हम ढूंढ रहे मेरे हाल में।
I've been thinking hard about this, and I really think we should be
ओके
a thing.
I'm sorry. I don't know if I feel
एली
like
कौन है?
That way. Look, I just don't know. It's shown me that I'm good at helping people.
You still pissed at me?
Here.
Just shut up while I'm hugging you.
You know they don't want any of the rest of us.
कौन फाइट कर रहा है अंदर?
Would you be happy never seeing me again?
अच्छा ये दो फाइट कर रहे
I just can't do this now.
हैं भाई। ये देख दो आपस में
Hey,
Hey.
लव स्टोरी है भाई।
Trip. Look who's here.
Hey, guys.
Hey,
Where have you been?
जॉन
Joan threw me and David in jail, if you can believe it.
Great. So you gave these people more reason to hate us.
What is going on
भाई
here
ये
in
चीजें खराब
Richmond?
हैं।
You know more
Yes.
about this place than the rest of us.
We've got to save my brother. He's still in their custody. And I'm scared what they might do to him.
Told you we couldn't trust them.
You were right.
I'm sorry about what's going on with David, but we should have gotten out of here when we had the chance. We still need to get
Oh
out
my
of here,
God.
Javi. Let's go.
Yes, I can't.
There's too much unfinished business
Temten भी
here.
यहाँ पे है ना भाई।
Javi.
Sorry.
We
We can't leave yet.
Have you guys even looked out the window? Go look for yourself.
पता है अंदर वोकर्स ही वोकर्स हैं भाई। वोकर्स ही वोकर्स हैं भाई। ओह माय भाई, इतने ज्यादा मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था।
Javi, even if you did get your brother free, you're not going to be able to go anywhere.
Damn.
Look at that. We
उससे
should have
ज्यादा
left when
है
we had a
भाई।
chance. Now we're stuck here.
I didn't make that happen. It's not my fault.
We had the opportunity.
आप लोग जाओ ना,
We should have
हम
gone.
यहाँ पर
Are
ठीक
you
है।
crazy?
I'd rather take my chances out there than in here.
Then you're an idiot. Look at you. You wouldn't have lasted 8 seconds past those walls.
It seems like we're in danger within this place and without. I, for one, would feel a whole lot safer with a few more guns to protect ourselves.
That the smartest move to make right now?
डेविड इंडस्ट्रीज।
That's crazy.
He's my brother, Kate.
यस, भाई के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे।
I have to.
बता रहा हूँ guys, हम उसको बचाएंगे।
Okay.
यस।
We have to rescue David.
Damn straight we do.
And we might have to
Muertos.
face those muertos.
I know where there's guns. My dad showed
Okay.
me. There are lots.
The armory. Good idea. A small group should
ओके,
go.
तो हमें गन्स चाहिए गाइस।
Okay.
लेट्स गो
Sounds
गन्स
like a
हम
plan.
अब लेने जाएंगे।
We'll get
तो
back
ये
here as soon as
टाइम
we
किधर है?
can.
मुझे तो एजे कांस में नहीं मिला भाई, बताओ मुझे।
Come here.
ये देखना है।
Kate, I...
Just be careful.
ओके।
Look, Javi, I don't know if you heard us, but I think I
Okay.
fucked it up with Eleanor.
We can talk on the way.
About that, I don't think I can leave this apartment with things like this between me and her.
ओके।
It's just not right. I know you must have
We
at
all
least
been
heard something.
there. यस भाई, हम सब।
You know what I mean?
It happens. Especially these days.
यस भाई।
Don't worry about it.
Thanks. Just shouldn't have pushed it with her like I did. Wasn't fair. Too much going on already, right?
Javi, come on.
Just give us a minute, pal. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know what to do.
Give it time, yes.
With all that's going on here, everybody's feeling overwhelmed. Try to wait for the right time. Maybe she'll come around.
Right.
पर टाइम सब कुछ ठीक करता है यार, to be honest.
Okay. Good luck out there. I'll talk it over with Eleanor and watch over things here. You've got my word. I won't let anything happen to anyone.
Thank you.
जा रहे हैं भाई।
Javi, come on.
Good luck.
तो कैसे अभी हमें चाहिए वेपन्स, गन्स जब मिलेंगे गाइस तो फिर हम इससे फाइट कर पाएंगे। मैं अपने भाई डेविड की जान भी तो बचानी है ना भाई, काफी काम है करने को। गलती हमने गलती की गुंजाइश है ही नहीं, गलती हम कर नहीं सकते। असल इशू बात ये, गलती हम नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा मसला है भाई। देखते हैं क्या होता है।
Stay frosty, gents.
What's that mean?
Like, stay cool, buddy.
ओके कोई आ रहा है। हमें वेपन्स को ध्यान से लेना पड़ेगा। अगर कोई भी गलती की तो पूरा इनकी जो आर्मी है, जो भी बंदे फौज के सब
Looks like Bob's on duty. I'll distract him away from the door and meet you inside. Be careful in there. There might be more of them.
Remember what I said about staying cool?
I've done this before, Javi.
No, you haven't, Gabe. Not really. Some decisions, you make them in a split second, and then have to carry them the rest of your life.
Very deep बात ये।
You understand?
देखो भाई, इसने बात ये की कि कुछ चीजें कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए ही होती हैं।
Yeah, I think I do.
इम्पैक्ट आपकी पूरी लाइफ में पड़ता है भाई। Very deep.
How can we trust Ava that she won't turn us in? Can we really trust her?
I trust her भाई, क्योंकि
I trust her enough for right now, and that's what's important.
भाई we have no option. हमें ट्रस्ट करना तो करना है भाई।
How do you know when you can trust someone? I feel like I've never really known anyone, other than you and Kate, Mariana.
Through their actions, they can try to confuse you with their words, but someone worth your trust does good things.
Makes sense.
इसलिए बोलते हैं action speaks louder than words.
I think we're up. She sure is a big help.
Let's go guys. हमें चांस मिला है यहाँ से न जाने का। I think so हम अंदर जा सकते हैं if we are not wrong. वहाँ से इनको गार्ड आ जाए तो काम हमारा और खराब हो जाए भाई। देखते हैं क्या होता है। विंडो खुली हुई है, विंडो से नहीं। नाइस। I think so we are ready to go in. Let's go guys. It's time to go inside. Oh, गेट की आवाज। नाइस। ओके, हमारे पैरों की ठीक है।
Ava said it'd be this way.
वो गांव से है जैसे ना। गेब का हमें ध्यान रखना है। गेब का कुछ चीजें सीन यहाँ पे खराब ना हो जाए। गन से यहाँ पे परी में तो गेब का सीन खराब हो सकता है। अगर इसने कोई ना कोई चीज खराब की तो फिर तो ऑफ कोर्स हो गई होगा।
It's down here. The guns are through that door.
Locked है? Oh, of course locked है।
No time to look for a key either.
ओ, तोड़ने का ख्याल है भाई हमारा। चलो भाई।
Have to do this the hard way.
Let's go guys. ओए देखो देखो भाई, वही आवाज हो गई भाई। ओए ओए देखो देखो, बंदे आ जाएंगे, पूरी गैंग आ जाएगी इनकी यहाँ पे। चीजें खराब होंगी। ये चीज मेरे हाथ में नहीं है। ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है भाई। चीजें मेरे हाथ में कैसे नहीं होंगे। ओके ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। वेपन्स यहाँ पर हैं, पूरे बैग पर है। तो बैग में भाई गन से सब कुछ काफी अच्छी बात है। क्लेमेंटाइन मुझे मिल जाए। क्लेमेंटाइन मुझे बाबा यार किधर है भाई? एक जो उसको मिला नहीं। ओ भाई भाई हैवी गन से भाई, तो शॉर्ट गन से लेके M4 एक के भाई गन से यहाँ पे तो काफी अच्छी है परी वेदर। बेसबॉल बैट भी है भाई। इसने बेट उठाना है ना इसे हर हाल में। गन छोड़नी है, बेसबॉल बैट इसने उठाना है। और भाई क्या गन की इसकी स्किन, गन की स्किन अच्छी बनाई है वैसे टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
Put these in your bag.
ओहो एमओ चेक करो भाई। एमओ परी हुई देता हूँ। हम इनकी पूरी गैंग मास्क कितनी एमओ अभी आ चुके हमारे पास भाई। क्या बात।
We never done this before. Just you and me. We make a pretty good team, right? The uncle nephew 1-2 punch.
Yeah, we do.
ओ आ चुके कोई बात। Okay.
Sorry to scare you. When we get back to Eleanor's, we need to talk to those people about doing the right thing by this place. I'll meet you at the entrance.
ठीक है, तो हम भी ऑफ कोर्स साथ ही आएंगे ना भाई। हम क्यों यहाँ पर वेट करें? कोई तो है इधर।
Come here.
कौन है? कौन है भाई? ये कौन है? ओ मैं और कोई तो है भाई.
Freeze!
अबे भाई ये कौन है? नहीं 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 नहीं.
Get away
Oh damn! भाई ये कहाँ भाई कौन है भाई? ओ हमको लग नहीं था भाई. ओके हम इसको बेहोश तो कर दिया लेकिन हम में चाकू लग चुके हैं.
You're bleeding. Are you okay?
Oh my God.
I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
जैसे कि अचानक हो गया था भाई टैग में चला गया था.
Yes, I'll be fine. Don't worry about it. We have to get back to the others.
Jeez, I can't leave you guys alone for 2 minutes, can I?
He's still alive?
Yeah. Just passed out.
Starting to think siding with you might have not been the best idea. Toss Sleeping Beauty in the closet so nobody sees him.
इसको बंद कर दो भाई. नहीं होश में आके सबको बता ही दे तो काम खराब हो जाएगा.
Let me see that wound.
अच्छा.
It's really bleeding. You're gonna need that taken care of.
Shit.
No, it's okay. Lingard and David are close friends. We can count on him to help you.
Medical facility is right nearby.
It'll be quiet this time of night, too.
Okay. But let's be quick.
भाई पूरी स्क्रीन इसकी फाड़ रख दी भाई. हाँ मसले हर हाल में हर भाई कुछ भी हो जाए ना जब हमें होता है फील कि भाई चीजें कुछ हो रही हैं अचानक कोई ना कोई इशू आ जाता है कोई ना कोई मसला आ जाता है. भाई तो होता है भाई. ये मुझे ऐसा ठीक है भाई हल्का फुल्का डैमेज मिले इतना इशू नहीं है कोई तो मर जाए फिर इशू है भाई.
Can they really hit targets over a mile away?
Not these, but some models.
Javi, it's probably best if Lingard doesn't see these guns. He and David might be tight, but he's still part of Richmond's leadership council.
I'll keep watch with Ava.
Okay. Doctor.
Do any of them have laser sights?
मैं बताना कि weapons हमारे पास है. Oh my God. Clementine.
Clem?
Shit, Javi, what happened to you?
Ran into a little trouble.
Wow, that looks like it must have hurt.
I just need to get it cleaned up.
You surprised me.
Okay.
Thought you were someone else.
Thought you left. Yes, bhai.
Thought you'd be long gone by now.
So did I. But I still need to talk about AJ with Lingard. Look at him. Anyway, I can't leave Richmond with that herd out there.
Something tells me Lingard doesn't care what you're doing.
He's been out of it since I got here.
He's alive. Poor dumb bastard.
That's gonna need more than just cleaning, Javi. I can stitch that for you.
By experience
I can't promise it'll look great once it heals.
Yes.
You've done this before?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, guys.
On myself, actually.
guys.
Much worse conditions. You'll be fine. Huh. Let me see if I can find a needle and thread for that.
Clem, are you okay?
I'm fine. I started bleeding. I know, it's a thing. I've traveled with women before, and they all had it. What is it? I mean, like, why is it? I just don't understand.
It means you're growing up, blossoming into your, like, womanhood. Your body is developing, and then things change, but it'll be okay.
Okay.
I can take you back to Kate. She can help you with,
Javi, worry about yourself right now. We need to find a needle and thread to stitch you up first.
Oh, right.
Okay, तो मैं रुको. Slap, yes, slap. Please slap us. Slap.
Wake up. Talk to me.
Slap. Oh,
wow. That guy is really out of it.
कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा भाई. अच्छा भाई पहले भाई हम अपना तो करें ना भाई ठीक चले. यहाँ कुछ में मिल जाए. Okay.
Penicillin. Not what I'm looking for.
टूल बॉक्स नीचे पड़ा हुआ है. यहाँ पे चीजें हो सकती हैं. Okay.
Jackpot.
Yes,
Needle and
guys.
thread. All sterilized and ready to go.
अब हमें क्लेमेंटाइन के पास जाना है, I guess. Hello, Clementine. Talk to.
Think I remember how to do this.
Wait, guys. कुछ. Oh, क्या six pack है भाई?
Hold still. Try not to breathe.
Look, I know I'm probably not the best person to talk to about that stuff before.
You weren't that bad. Thanks for, being here.
Basically, all this means is you could become a mom, if you wanted.
Funny. I already felt like a mom.
You can be married.
Kenny used to say I was
Yes,
a natural
Kenny
born
भाई
mother.
क्या बंदा है भाई. Kenny भाई एक कह लो कि सीजन 1 का भी हो सीजन 2 का भी एक बहुत अहम इंसान था. और भाई उसकी हिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी है. अच्छी तो नहीं, बहुत सैड है, लेकिन भाई उसकी स्टोरी भी बहुत सैड है. बट भाई लेकिन भाई जो भी है, क्लेमेंटाइन ने काफी छोटी एज से ही ना काफी कुछ फेस किया.
Want another?
Goofball.
Which
ये
one
बहुत
to do
टूटा है.
next?
Dog bro, dog.
How about bark, bark?
Down, boy. That's a pretty good dog. Always used to do
That
that.
भी
one for
इसका
Dad.
गैस इसका
He'd laugh
सन
his
है,
ass off.
जिसकी सीजन 1 में ही हो चुकी थी मौत.
Oh, shit. Hey, grab the lighter out the duffel, will you?
भाई गैस आपने I think so सेकंड एपिसोड था ना जहाँ पे हमें इसकी जो तक कैनी इसकी मौत का सीन हमने देखा था गैस यार. कार एक्सीडेंट में वो कुछ टाइम हुआ था, इसकी मौत हुई थी यार. सो सैड.
Just a second, goofball.
Voila.
Oh damn.
Hey, get away from him!
मारो इसको. शाबाश, एक और प्यारा. एक और ये चीज भाई, क्या बात. The strength of a mother. क्या बात.
Is he okay?
गाइस अब शायद ये सोचो कि एजे कहाँ से आया है.
You know,
भाई सीजन 2 में एक
first time I
फैमिली
saw
थी
you holding AJ, it just
जो मेरे साथ
so natural.
बचाई.
Somewhere up there,
Yes.
his mama is
दोनों
looking
get
down on you.
हो चुके थे मौत.
Grateful for what you're doing.
Yes,
Always
भाई.
putting him first.
You helping too. Yes, ये बोलता.
You've done as much for AJ as I have. Rebecca would be
Yes,
grateful
right.
for you, too.
Yeah, but you're the only mama he's got. Protective, loving, caring. All the things
Yes,
a good parent
but,
needs to be,
yes,
and all at your age. But parenthood is a hell of a motivator, though. That's for sure. That kind of love.
It's the best thing ever.
It brings out the best in us. I felt it with
Lee
Lee.
यार.
Yeah, he was a
Yes,
good
सीजन
man.
1 देखोगे जाके.
Well, I
Yes,
could have
हाँ,
treated
ली
him
और इसकी
better.
बहुत होती फाइट वो
I know
हुआ
that
करती
now.
थी. सीजन 1 में गैस ली की वो मौत हो गई थी यार.
Kid's as sick of the cold as I am.
Emotions उठ रहे हैं यार.
So I've been thinking, it's no use surviving out here, hoping that Wellington will take us in someday.
पहले की बात है.
I bet we find some good people down in Florida. Maybe even a little friend for this goofball. Wouldn't that be nice? We could use the company. Hell,
सही बात है.
I know I could.
There aren't any
Yes,
good
they are
people
died.
anymore.
If there aren't, it's because we keep losing them. Like Sarita.
Sarita, कौन है? Wife ऐसी है ना?
That day, outside house, you were just trying to save her life. I never thanked you for that.
You're welcome.
Life doesn't mean much without people you can relate to.
Season
Sarita always said,
second की बात हो रही
family
है.
is what you make it.
याद आ गया.
She was right. I'm sorry for all this sappy shit. I guess I'm just happy.
We love you too, Kenny.
नहीं, ये बच्चा बहुत cute है यार.
All right. Enough sap, Kenny.
She laugh बहुत
How
funny है.
about this one, little man?
देखिए.
We've got each other. As long as we have that, we'll be okay.
But not for long, yeah, Clemson. Not for long, भाई. Oh, भाई emotions भाग गए. Emotions basically भाग रहे हैं भाई. 1 month later. Okay. हम अकेले हो चुके हैं, I guess. क्या वो कार वाला सीन हो गया मेरे ख्याल से, पता नहीं guys. और एजे क्या है? ओके, तो ये वो घर है ना? अभी पहले यहाँ पे आए थे. ओके, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एजे था मेरे ख्याल में. एजे भी नहीं है तो भाई. ओह डैम. हम यहाँ पे आए हैं भाई. ओह डैम भाई, कितना कुछ फेस करना पड़ता है भाई हर इंसान को, है ना? एजे वहाँ है. Who's there? Oh.
Who's there? All right.
Okay.
It's just me.
तो हम इनसे भाग के यहाँ आगे थे कैसे, है ना? उस वही बात है भाई, मुझे अब तुझे कंफ्यूजन हो रही है.
What the hell do you want? I'm really glad I found you. Clementine, I know
तो
this is hard.
इनके पास है. ओके, ठीक है.
I'm so sorry about what happened with AJ. Really, I am.
You have to give AJ back, please. He needs me. I need him.
That's just not gonna happen, Clem. Look, it's not much, but here.
क्या है? गन्स है यहाँ पे, कोई फूड है मेरे ख्याल में, है ना? ओह, क्या बात है भाई. फूड, पानी, थैंक्स यार, अच्छी बात है. तो हेल्प कर रही है मेरी, बहुत अच्छी बात है. पानी उठा लो भाई. क्या बात है. तो अच्छा सा सप्लाई इसने हमको दिया था. बस ठीक है भाई, क्या मैं इसको बंद कर पाऊंगा? बट ओके, बुक हमको लेनी थी. व्हाट इज दिस? ओह, ये रहते एजेंट ने कोई ड्रॉ किया होगा यार.
David wanted you to have that. AJ drew it just after you. It calmed him down.
This. Thank you.
You're welcome. Consider it a peace offering. We care about you. Just try to remember that even if it feels wrong, people can still be trying to do the right thing by you. Listen, it's dangerous out here, and right now, you're hurting. Whatever you do, you can't let what happened get to you. You need to keep a level head. Plan for after that. You're strong, but that won't get you far if you don't know what you're doing.
Oh, I'll keep fighting. You guys gave me no other choice.
It's not time for that anymore, Clem. Your focus has to be on you now. That's all you can do. For me, Staying alive has always been about finding people I could trust as much as they trusted me. That's what the New Frontier has been. A silver lining. Made me feel worth a damn. Kept me going in the worst of times. You'll find yours. I know you will.
Lee.
Someone or something.
I used to have Lee.
You never mentioned him.
He took care of me for a while. Every time I would look at AJ, I could hear him in my head, helping me, guiding me.
He's still with you, you know. Here. So is AJ. From the first time we met, right here, surrounded by absolute hell, you and AJ were a light in the darkness. Hope for a better world. That's who you are. Promise me you'll never lose that light. Please. It's what makes you special, Clem.
Okay, I promise.
You're a tough kid. Don't change.
Oh my god.
I should get back before anyone knows I'm gone. Remember to keep the focus on you now, Clem. And when you need a little extra support, there's an old airfield about 10 or so miles south of here. Prescott. There are good people there. I'm sure they'll help you out. I'll miss having you around, Clem. You're going to be okay.
Thanks, Ava.
Good luck out there, Clem.
Okay. तो उस वक्त से क्लेमेंटाइन और एजे नहीं मिले. काफी साल हो गए ना, एक साल तो हो गए होंगे.
That's what keeps me going. There's things I have to stay alive to do.
चलो भाई, ये भी इसका भी इलाज हो गया.
So, what do you think? I think I'm getting better.
I owe you one.
Add it to the pile.
You coming?
I still have to ask Lingard about AJ.
Hello, Clementine. Javier. Thought you were rotting in a cell with David. There any chance he got out too? I hate to think about what Joan might do to him. Despite all her pleasantries,
oh yes,
she's a cruel bitch.
It's none of your business.
There's no need for that tone. I look like someone who gives a shit what you're up to. Frankly, I've had enough of backstabbing to last me a lifetime.
Why do you care if David got out? He deserves what's coming to him.
If you think that, you don't know David.
I know he's the reason I lost AJ.
When AJ recovered, David was the one who stepped up. Took personal responsibility for that kid.
You say that like it's a good thing. I really doubt he was a positive influence.
David's the reason the kid's better off now than he's ever been. You can be as mad as you want about how things panned out.
That's not fair. David can be a good father.
Maybe to his own kids. That doesn't mean I trust him with AJ.
You should. David Garcia is a good man.
Yeah, I'm sure he'd agree with you. Sorry if I don't.
I stand by what I say.
If David's taken such good care of him, why did he tell me to ask you where AJ is?
That's what this is about, then. You want to know where the boy is?
बता दो भाई. Okay. Strange.
What do you want?
I just want to die. I want you to inject this into me.
Don't give up, yes?
Hang in there. Tomorrow's another day.
I can't. When your brother found me, he got me to care about everything I'd given up on. My life, other people, even this goddamn place. Without him around, I don't want to care anymore.
Just tell me where he is!
Then you won't have any reason to do it.
इसकी भी हालत बहुत खराब हुई है यार. If
Javi, I have to know. I've been looking for too long. I can't lose him now.
बताओ ना कहाँ है?
I'm sorry, Clem, we can't do this.
No, I have to. If you won't, I will.
Clem, stop. He's not in his right mind. You can't do this.
Let go of me. I'm taking the deal.
We'll find AJ, just not this way.
There is no other way. Where is...
You can consider the deal. Oh.
No! Javi!
AJ मिल जाएगा यार, टेंशन ना लो.
How could you?
ढूंढेंगे AJ को.
So be it. It's your funeral. Especially now. Now that Joan's rounding up all alleged traitors.
Joan तनाक खत्म होने भाई. उसको रोकना पड़ेगा. या वो गई या फिर
in there, buddy.
David की मौत है. कोई तो मरने वाला है.
Hey. Hi, Clementine.
Surprised to see you here.
Yeah. Right back at you.
You all good?
Yeah.
तो एवन ने ऐसी हेल्प की थी.
Let's roll.
अच्छी बात है ये तो फिर दोस्त हैं.
Good to see you.
ओके तो अगर मैं उसको इंजेक्शन लगाता तो वो तो मौत ही ना उसकी फिर तो भी वो हमको कैसे वो करता कि एजे कहाँ है एंड एजे को हमें खुद ही ढूंढना. सिंपल इज दैट भाई. अच्छा कि मैंने उसे नहीं मारा यार. ऐसा नहीं काम हमें खुद ही करना था. हमें वहां से कोई नहीं हास हेल्प ना मिल सी.
Javi, you're back. And Clementine.
Thanks for the warm welcome.
Just surprised to see you is all. Oh, hell. You okay?
Yeah. It looks worse than it is. Don't worry about it.
Kate's lying down in the other room for a bit.
So you got the guns, huh?
We got them all right.
Oh my god,
one for you, and one for you. I saved this one for you.
No, I've already got one. Actually, it wouldn't hurt to have another. Thanks.
What took you so long?
Yes.
We went to see Dr. Lingard.
At night? I'm kind of surprised he was sober. It's gotta be a stressful job. Looking after an entire community?
The guy's clearly an addict. He was destroyed when we got there.
It would be sad if it wasn't so reckless.
It's pathetic is what it is.
Why don't you go talk to Kate, okay?
Okay.
The sun will be rising in a few hours. Joan's people know we're holed up here, and they're gonna come looking for us. All of us.
For fuck's sake.
Maybe it's not as bad as we think.
Fucking figures.
And there's no going anywhere with those things blocking our exit.
They like me, that has to help somehow.
Just because they like you doesn't mean they're gonna like the rest of us.
We're sitting ducks up here.
Hey, we can do this.
Yeah.
We've gotten out of tougher jams before, haven't we?
I mean, sure. But this is different. We can't just cut and run. Not with the herd out there. Like it or not, we're fucking stuck in Richmond. Now, how the fuck are we gonna put the brakes on this thing?
Joan and her people are going to be at the square, right? We need to bring the fight to them.
We go after Joan, our problems are solved.
Great. So, how do we do that?
It's a good question. Joan will probably have a full security detail with her. She'll be insulated. From us and from anybody in Richmond who doesn't agree with what she's doing.
If there are good people left in Richmond who are against what Joan's doing, we need to ask for their help. If we can talk to the people at the trial, present the case to everyone in Richmond, we might not have to do this on our own. We light the match. The people do the rest.
After we take Joan out, we're gonna need some way out of this mess. I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm not much of a runner.
We've got a truck, a big one, that we used to use for Walker defense. It's a little busted up, but it's way better than nothing.
People are gonna be patrolling these streets looking for us. How far away is this truck?
I'll show you. We've been expanding, pushing out further, making the safe zone even bigger. Can't promise you they've cleared all the walkers yet, but that's where the truck's parked.
I could spit and hit it.
We steal that thing, nothing will be able to stop us.
Steal what?
Hey.
Jesus, Javi, is that blood on your shirt? You said it wasn't that bad.
It isn't.
How the hell did this happen? Oh, you're bleeding right through that bandage. You should have told me as soon as you got in.
Things went a little sideways at the end. Gabe got in the way. A guard came after me and he stabbed me in the shoulder.
I thought you guys were gonna be careful out there.
Hey, don't worry about it. It is what it is. Thought you knew what you were doing.
You're still alive, aren't you?
Eleanor, can you take a look at this?
As long as he keeps it clean, it should be okay.
Would you guys stop making such a big deal about it? It happened. It's over. Move on already.
I'm just trying to make sure he's okay, Gabe.
What we need to be talking about is the plan. Oh, I have a bunch of ideas. I want to be the one to go after Dad. Just give me a gun and I'll do whatever.
Slow down,
I know
slow
the town.
down.
I know what Dad's gonna be thinking.
Hey, slow down, would you? You're getting way ahead of yourself.
Who's to say you're even coming along, kid?
Are you fucking kidding me? Ugh, this is bullshit! I'm not staying behind.
Gabe, take a breath.
He's my dad. I'm going.
It's going to be dangerous out there, and I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
If we get to save Dad, then getting hurt is worth it. It's worth dying for. This is more important to me than anyone else. I've got a gun, and I know how to use it.
No way anybody is dying. Not today. That's why we have to take the time to talk it through, so everybody comes out okay. Nobody here is gonna let you be a martyr, Gabe. Your life is precious.
Okay, so you want to dive bomb Joan and save the day. Do we have to leave? This place is comfortable.
Hell yeah, we're out of here. A handful of people against everyone out there. Everything out there.
We can do this. I know we can. We've got the guns, we've got a plan, and soon we're gonna have that truck. So let's get started.
Hell, I'm still in.
I promised David I'd always have his back.
Let's do it.
Without Conrad, you guys need me, and you know it.
Sure as hell seems that way.
Me, Clem, Kate, and Gabe will go after the car.
Me and Eleanor, we'll get some supplies together. Here, take a walkie. I'll let everyone know when things kick off.
Ava, you take the other one and keep checking in, no matter what.
I'll get my stuff and meet you at the square.
Okay.
Let's go, guys.
Let's move out.
हम जाएंगे पर ट्रक लेने. अगर ट्रक हमारे हाथ में आ गया तो हम इजीली एस्केप कर पाएंगे. हम सब बंदे और डेविड को भी बचा लेंगे. अगर भाई स्टोरी ऐसे गई तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, लेकिन हम उसको बचा सकते हैं. टू बी ऑनेस्ट अभी ना मुझे बस दिल है कि मैं चुप कर जाऊं और आराम से स्टोरी को देखूं और एंजॉय करूं. देखूं होता क्या है एट एंड, ये चीज कहाँ पे एंड होती है. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. लेट्स सी. तो ये ट्रक है ओके. तो वो ट्रक कौन सा है? ये जो ब्लू वाला है आई गेस.
Clem, you come with me to get the truck. Gabe and Kate, you guys hang back here.
Okay.
Be ready for anything.
I guess तो ठीक काम में नहीं हुआ.
Let's go.
I think I should go with you, actually.
That wasn't the plan, Gabe.
Actually, I was kind of hoping you'd be willing to watch my back on this one. Don't want to get surprised while I'm out there.
Yeah. Okay. I guess somebody needs to be a lookout.
What?
Nothing. Gabe and I will be fine back here.
ओके गाइस लेट्स गो। हमें ट्रक उठाना है। ट्रक है कौन सा पता नहीं भैया। हमारा एम क्या है? लो हमें करना क्या है? क्यों आए?
Locked. We can't catch a break. Muertos would probably rip this
ये
truck apart
ट्रक
in
नहीं है।
seconds.
ये ट्रक नहीं है तो जो भी ट्रक है वो कहीं और होगा, वो इसके अंदर ना होगा गैस। मुझे लगता है ये वो ट्रक इस गैराज के अंदर गैस हो सकता है। यस मुझे शक यही है। मुझे लग रहा है कि यही वो चीज है जिसकी वो बात कर रहा था।
There it is. Let's go.
ओह कोई है अंदर? मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है।
What are the chances?
I'd say about
Okay, अंदर कुछ
50-50.
हो सकता है।
Smart ass.
ओह वाह अंदर कोई है। अंदर कोई है। तो क्या करना है? उनको मार दे? इधर आ चुके हैं वो डैम।
Early risers. Come on, we gotta hurry and finish before more people wake up.
What are we gonna do?
We can't start the engine. Not without attracting a lot of attention. Kate, you steer. The rest of us are gonna get behind the truck and push. See if we can't get some distance between us and them.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Let's go guys. देखते हैं क्या होता है। इतनी आवाज है जस्ट ओके है। ठीक जा रहा है काम। शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश। We are out guys. Oh my god. Okay. ठीक है हम उनके साइड से तो हो चुके हैं आउट मेरे ख्याल में।
Turns out you needed me after all, huh? I'm just saying.
Just push the
I
truck.
know you didn't want me to come along.
Just push the damn truck. All right?
What do you think I'm doing?
I'm doing all the work. You're the one trying to have a conversation here. That's more like it.
Let's go guys.
Don't think those guys will be able to hear the engine all the way over here. I put it in neutral. Couldn't find
Keep
the
it near the
ignition
door
key
there.
in there. Guess you'll have to hotwire it.
Okay.
Try not to shock yourself.
Shit. I'll need something to strip the wires.
They left all their supplies
Oh,
lying
damn.
around. Bet there'll be some tools out there somewhere.
Just try to hurry, okay?
भाई हमको टूल्स ढूंढनी पड़ेंगी यार। डैम इट। ओके और ये सारे पर टूल बॉक्स यहाँ जो यहाँ पर है। ये आवाजें कहाँ से आ रही हैं पता नहीं। ओके सामान तो बहुत है इधर। उठा बेट उठा लो यहाँ से। ओ बे भाई आवाजें मुझे आ रही हैं। मुझे आवाजें आ रही हैं। ओ बे तगड़ा। लेकिन भाई जो भी है सामान तो आज के हमारे पास। लेकिन बंदे वहां से आज तो काम खराब हो
Almost
जाएगा।
there. Keep an eye out while I get it started, okay?
I'll check on the guys in the office.
नहीं पास रहो भाई।
Clem and I will look out for walkers.
Okay.
Let's go
goes.
guys, देखते हैं क्या होता है। Let's go। क्या हम कर पाएंगे देखते हैं guys। 3 है यहाँ पे वायर्स।
Wire
हमें
cutters
कौन
should
सी
help with
वायर
this.
करने हैं मुझे बता दो भाई। और हमें इस वायर को काटने मेरे हाल में और हमें बैटरी वाले को काटने का क्या बता रहे हैं? स्टार्टर है। हमें लगता है इसको काटना है। वैसे मुझे इस काम में कोई इतना खास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है और हमें इसको भी काटना है और हमें इन तीनों को साथ करना है मेरे ख्याल में ना। ओके
Gotta connect the battery to
बैटरी
the ignition.
इग्निशन ये ओके ये
Don't get electrocuted. Don't get electrocuted.
ठीक है लेट्स गो। कुछ हो नहीं रहा भाई।
Shit.
नहीं हो रहा। क्या करें एक बार फिर कर ट्राई।
Let there be light.
ओह नाइस। तो ये लाइट के पास आते हैं। ओह डैम ये एक मसला हो चुका भाई। अब वो बंदे भी आ जाएंगे वहां से।
Oh shit.
प्रॉब्लम्स 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 भाई हमें जल्दी काम करना पड़ेगा। लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो।
Hurry up.
ये हो जा। लेट्स गो गाइस इट्स टाइम टू एस्केप। बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ।
Hey, let's go now.
ओह डैम लेट्स गो गाइस। अब ये वर्कर से फाइट करेंगे और हमने फाइनली डेविड का मैं सोच रहा हूँ भाई हमें डेविड को बचाना है। कुछ भी हो जाए हमें डेविड की जान बचानी है और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम हमारा होने वाला है। ट्रक तो काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग लग रहा है।
The square is a couple of blocks away. This is a
Okay.
good place to wait.
Do we have enough gas?
I'm not about to turn the engine off again.
What now?
We wait for
Okay.
Ava to call us on the walkie.
ठीक है भाई।
So, nothing for us to do but sit and watch the sun come up.
Well, I know we've got something important to do. I'm teaching you to play euchre.
That's not a real thing.
It's a card game. Come on, it's fun.
It's nice to be driving around with a couple kids in the back seat again. Really takes you back, doesn't it? Just you and me and Gabe and Mari.
You're right.
Not surprising.
This is nice. Like if I just close my eyes, we're right back where we were. All of us together.
Do what I do. Try to think about the nice stuff. Not everything that happened after.
Gotcha.
Oh, come on. That's not even a good rule.
Still gotcha.
Guess he stopped playing it cool with her. In case you haven't noticed, Gabe's got a little crush on Clementine. He likes her. You get it?
Well, okay.
kind of crazy.
Okay, so
Kind of amazing, isn't it? That in the middle of all this, they find time to flirt with each other.
Guess it just goes to show. You stick two people together, something's
buddy.
going to happen between them.
you're kidding.
I'm just glad it's the good kind of something this time around. It's so normal, you know? Like, as crazy as things get, as terrible and tragic and just plain stupid, there's nothing more wonderfully ordinary as two kids falling for each other. Not that they're there yet, but to feel
What is the
something
easy
that
part?
intensely for another person,
Hey, the falling in love is the easy part.
it's
Yeah,
the staying
staying
in love
love
part
way
that'll
to
really
bother.
mess you up. It's unfair, that's all I'm saying. That they're feeling what they're feeling right now, and when that sun gets a little higher, it's right back to the fight.
Tough times में असल कहाँ पता चलता
I
है
just
ना tough
wish
times.
he could have had a childhood, you know? I wish I could have given them that. Him and Mari, both.
Hey, you did the best you could, Kate. You kept this family alive as long as you possibly could. It counts for a lot.
I hope you know, Javi, having you there with me, right by my side, all this time, that's what made the difference.
भाई सपोर्ट होना तो जरूरी है। ये मुझे
You're so
इमोशनल ना
sure
करो यार मुझे
what
इमोशनल
you're
क्यों
doing
कर
all
रहे हो
this
यार?
for. You didn't run away.
Yes, that's who
You
I
could
am.
have.
I think that's just, who I am, you know? Who I am now, at least.
I get it. There's no graceful way to say this, so I'm just gonna say it. I know we've had moments, you and I. And they're always a little hot and a little confusing, and maybe some of them haven't meant anything at all. But before whatever happens tomorrow happens, I need you to know, whatever this thing is between us, I want to give it a chance. And I know the fact that David is back in our lives now makes this whole thing a little more complicated. But do you feel the same way? I'd really like to know before things get crazy. We might not get another chance.
Let's go for it. We gotta try, right?
Oh my god, really?
Really.
So are we
Oh
gonna...
damn, मैंने ये expect नहीं किया था. मैंने ये expect नहीं किया था वैसे. मैंने ये expect नहीं. मैं बोलेगी.
Okay. Yeah. Shit. We're doing this. You do realize we're gonna have to have a weird conversation with David, right? It's the right way to play this. He already got the sense I was pulling away. I just want to be able to tell him in person. It'll feel better that way.
That would be the stand-up thing to do in this situation. Can I just say how lame doing the stand-up thing is, though?
Oh, it's
मेरे plan नहीं था भाई.
Javi,
Oh.
it's an execution over
Oh.
here. She's planning to hang
David
David in
मार
front
है
of the
वो.
whole crowd. You've got to get over here now. Don't bring the truck. If they see it, they'll kill him right away. If you can just get into the square.
David को hang कर रही है, इसको फांसी दे रही है.
We gotta get over there now.
करना पड़ेगा. हमें डेविड को बचाना पड़ेगा. जो मर्जी तुम बोलो, जो मर्जी को, हमें डेविड को बचाना ही पड़ेगा. कुछ भी हो जाए. We have to save David, guys.
I'm going to hang back here with the truck.
Keep the walkie close by. We'll tell you as soon as we've got David.
बस भाई बस भी कर दो भाई. इसको ज़्यादा ही मैंने हाँ बोल दी भाई. थी मैंने हाँ नहीं बोल दी.
Nope. That sounds like a crowd out there.
It sounded like Ava got cut off by something. Or somebody.
मैंने हाँ बोल दिया. मुझे अच्छा फील हुआ. I don't know man. Damn यार.
Like,
Maybe the
is
movie
the
dead.
whole plan shot? Or did she just have a little setback?
We can't get distracted. I don't know what happened on the other side, but it doesn't change what we have to do.
I just wish we had a little more information. That's all.
We're not gonna know what went wrong until we actually do this thing. So, let's do it already.
AJ का है मुझे ये पता भाई. AJ किधर है? I need to find it भाई.
Ready as I'm gonna be.
Glad to hear it.
ओके तो इस एपिसोड में गैस हमें एस्केप करना है. मुझे समझ आ चुकी है. और मैंने यार ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. उन्होंने किससे कर दिया भाई? क्या भाई अजीब सीन है भाई ये तो. मैं वाकई में एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था यार. मुझे इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा भाई. मैंने की है. डैम भाई डैम. कहते हैं सॉरी भाई. ये मैं मेरे अबे भाई शिट यार. ये तो काम कभी खा गया हुआ है. हमें उसको बचाना है हर हाल में.
Be punished for what he's done.
हमको थोड़ा
We can't wait for the others, can we?
For years now, Richmond has been governed by one simple principle. Strong council, strong community. But, unfortunately, the actions of one of the members of that council, our security expert, David Garcia, have put us all
She's lying to all of you!
I'm sorry to have to show you this. Truly, I am. But you all need to see. Just look what he's done.
ये कौन है भाई?
He murdered this man in cold blood. Is this who we want in charge? Someone this reckless, this cruel?
झूठ बोल रही है. इसने इसको मारा. ये वो बंदा है. हमने जिसकी जाम चली थी वो बंदा है. जिसने हमने जाम चली वो बंदा है.
She can't do this to him.
Yes.
I knew Joan was willing to fight dirty, but this is taking it to the next level. We gotta be ready to match her game.
I think you're right.
Javier, I'd heard you were planning to crash our little party. Why did you come on up here?
Yes, no,
Show your face
अब
to everyone. I'm sure these people would like to hear what
yes,
you have
I
to
will
say.
be happy to. Yes.
Happy to.
Yes.
Been waiting for this all day.
Then I'll try not to disappoint you.
Let's go, guys. अब असल फैसलों की ताकत होने वाली है. अब हम बात करेंगे तो लोग सुनेंगे.
I had a very interesting conversation with your friend Eleanor last night. Isn't that right, Eleanor?
That's right.
She said you were coming here to rally the people against me.
plan
Convince them that I was no good for Richmond. Don't know how you thought you were going to pull it off, considering it's all of us against the three of you.
And that's exactly what I'm planning to do.
Appreciate the honesty, which makes this so much harder. Here in Richmond, people who put themselves before the group don't last long. Bring them out.
Get away from me.
You're making a mistake.
Ava! Oh no. They had them this whole time.
David wanted to tear this whole place down. He told his people where to find our gun supply, and sure enough, they picked us clean. You really thought you could ride into town and stage a coup? With our own damn weapons? Something like that? I can't just let it go. You've put me in a no-win situation here, so I'm gonna do the same thing to you. Both of them deserve to die for their crimes. However, Javi, I'll let you spare one of them. Just one.
No!
Hell no!
Joan! Don't!
Not after what they tried to do.
Stop playing
You
games.
may be guilty of bringing them into this, but they chose to go along with it.
Is this the kind of leadership you've got in store for Richmond? Torturing people with your stupid power games?
Justice isn't a game, Javi. It's about time you learn that.
Joan, are you sure about this? We never
Yes, bhai,
agreed
ye
to
bande
kill all
mari
these
hai.
people.
It's really up to Javi, isn't it? All eyes are on you. Maybe this will help you make up your mind. Boys,
Oh damn. भी हमें
Come
बंदे
on,
की जान
Javi.
चाहिए जो जिस बंदे ने अभी
who's
गन
it
निकाली
gonna
है.
be?
Safe.
Your friend or your brother's lieutenant?
Oh, come on! This is fucking stupid.
You can't be serious. God damn you, Joan.
क्या करें भाई?
Do the right thing, Javi.
How could you do this?
Damn. समझ गया किसको उसको बचाएं. एवा को बचाएं या लड़के को बचाएं यार. देखो उसने हमारी जान तो बचाई है. ठीक है. VO जो बंदे जो 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 मैन है उसने हमारी जान तो बचाई थी स्टार्ट में. तो we owe him भाई. हमें उससे कोई बचा. ओके ऑप्शन है ही नहीं मेरे पास गाइस यार. ट्रिप को गाइस मैं उसको करूं से. ओके गाइस आई एम सेइंग द ट्रिप. भाई we have no other option.
Trip has to live. He's invaluable.
Son of a bitch.
Javi, what the fuck is wrong with you?
You're not making David happy, but I respect you for sticking up for your own people.
नहीं.
Shoot him.
Wait!
Yes, sir.
I said Trip should live!
You did, but there's something
Nahi,
else you
oh,
need
bhai.
to understand. Betrayal.
You can't do this!
Fucking figures.
I can do anything I
But this is last
want.
video,
You
don't cut
brought
it,
this
it's
on
zulm hai.
yourself. Do it.
Go, you pay for this. नहीं.
No!
Mark.
Oh my god. They really shot him.
God damn it.
Now, David, it's your turn.
कुछ मार ना करो यार. Oh damn, नहीं बचाना है. नहीं. डेविड कुछ ना हो चाहिए भाई.
I can't believe this! This isn't how we do things. This is
Yes.
madness! Stop her, Clint! Is this the process you trusted?
No! Think about this, Javi. You know what's gonna happen here. You ready for that?
We don't murder in Richmond. We exile.
That's how we've always done things. How about you take David and the rest of your people and just get the hell out? Go far away from Richmond. And then whenever you do, it's up to you.
I'm sure the herd outside would like that. She thinks she's sending us out there to die.
She's counting on it.
Everybody put your guns away. We're gonna handle this peacefully. Don't listen to them, Javi. They're fucking butchers, all of them. Shoot that bitch. Take her out. She deserves it. If you don't do it, I fucking
John, take the deal.
Let me out of here. I'll tear her apart.
गाइस मुझे इटली कोई भी ट्रस्ट नहीं है जॉन पे. मुझे उसको गोली मारनी है, इसने हमारे बंदे को मारा है, इसका मरना बनता है. I will shoot, guys. I will shoot. I will damn shoot.
Go to hell, Joan.
मरो यहाँ से. You will die. Oh damn. बचाओ. Dad को बचाओ. Go, Dad को बचाओ. भागो, Dad को बचाओ. बंदे मारे हैं, हमें Dad को बचाना है और वो बचेगा भाई. Will protect David. David की जान बचने वाली है. शाबाश. अच्छा वो आ रही है. उससे नाइस, बहुत प्यारा. Let's go guys. Finally बचा लिया हमने जॉन को ही मार दिया, बदल लिया भाई मौत का. इतना आसान ही है भाई. जॉन को तो पक्का मार के देंगे भाई इसको. मैं इसको बेस्ट अतुल को मार के रखा. इसने बड़ा काम खराब किया भाई ने.
Son of a bitch! Get back here! Gabe, I need you to cover me. We gotta make things right.
अब no way भाई हम पीसफुल रहेंगे. उसने मेरे दोस्त को मार दिया भाई. No way हम पीसफुल रहने वाले हैं. Go help Gabe.
He needs you, not me.
Go help your dad भाई.
Thanks.
सबको पेलो भाई. बूम भाई. निकलो यहाँ से. ओहो मतलब ये बंदा हमें जिसकी जाम चाहिए, क्लेमेंटाइन, इसकी हमें गड्ढे जाना है भाई. Yes.
I gotta help her.
Boom.
A way out of this, Javi. Why did you have to go and shoot her? Shit, get down!
I hear gunfire. What the hell is going on over there? Are you guys okay? Do you need a pickup? Or do you have things under control?
Can't talk. Try to avoid getting shot.
I can't hear you. It's too loud.
Oh, damn. Oh, लेट्स गो. हमें निकलने यहाँ से. इस बंदे के हमें जान देते वो हमें मार रहा है भाई. तो गलत बात है. इन्हें मारो. मारेंगे इसको भाई. स्मोक रेड फेंकते हो पे. ये शाबा. ओ शाबा टक लेके आती है.
It's Kate. She's coming for us.
Oh damn. ओश. खोल गई. फोकस सारे अंदर आ जाए. ओ बेट लग गया.
Oh God.
Javi, you gotta get over there before.
My God. क्या केट देता है पता.
Kate.
मुझे था शायद केट मरने वाले. मुझे मरना मुश्किल है, लेकिन इनका अंदर आना बहुत जरूरी है भाई. इसको होना ही था. बेशक किस हो या दूसरा होता, ये होना ही था. वापस को अंदर आना ही था. और क्या है यहाँ पे. ओके ना करो. यहाँ पे ओके एंड एपिसोड. ओ माय गॉड, क्या पॉइंट, क्या पे एंड हुआ है भाई ये एपिसोड. Did you promise Kate family did? भाई हमने डेविड की हेल्प की है, हमने जॉन को मार दिया है क्योंकि जॉन ने हमारे दोस्त को मारा है। सिंपल ये मेरा रीजन है उसको मारने का। एंड गाइस ऑफ कोर्स हमने इसको सेव किया, मगर हमने इसकी मौत का बदला भी उसी वक्त ही ले लिया भाई। बड़ा मजा आया उसको मार के, बड़ा भाई। हाँ क्या बात भाई, मौत ने मारा है इस बंदे को, इस ऐसे इंसान को मरना ही चाहिए भाई, जुल्म करे मारो तुम भाई। आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस एपिसोड भाई, बहुत एपिक था, बहुत अच्छा एपिसोड गया है। बहुत जल्द इसका आखिरी एपिसोड 5 भी आ जाएगा, पर देखते हैं आगे क्या होने वाला है। लीव अ लाइक एंड डू सब्सक्राइब। मिलते हैं आप नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में अपना।